Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Monday was quite cloudy along parts of the western coastline and the cloud cover persisted throughout the day for many areas, and that kept things cooler than what we expected. The main feature of Monday's weather, on the other hand, was an upper air low pressure system through the central parts of the country, and that brought another bout of cloudy and wet weather to parts of the northwest, the Free State and around the Drakensberg. It was also quite cloudy into the Lowveld and parts of northern KwaZulu-Natal, where a couple of showers passed through. Now on Tuesday, it's going to be a cloudy morning for Limpopo and some of the surrounding areas with fog in places. Morning showers also in the forecast for the Lowveld and the adjacent escarpment. Otherwise, it's going to be partly cloudy on the Highveld. We're not expecting any further rainfall, while in the west, it's going to be mainly clear, dry and warmer for most of the Cape provinces. Now in KwaZulu-Natal, we're also expecting a very pleasant day on Tuesday. Mainly clear, 26 degrees is a high for Durban and Port Shepstone. It'll become breezy along the coastline in the afternoon, those northeasterly winds picking up. Mthatha reaches 27 in the afternoon, a dry day across the Eastern Cape. Port Elizabeth starts off at a mild 14 degrees and gets to a pleasant 24 in the afternoon. It could be cloudy at times for some parts of the southern coastline, including Plettenberg Bay and Mossel Bay, lower 20s as maximums for those areas, while the rest of the Western Cape will be quite warm on Tuesday afternoon. Head to the beach if you're in Cape Town after work. It should be a lovely sunset with some high-level cloud passing overhead. Fog is going to be moving down the west coast in the afternoon and evening. That's going to cool things down rapidly for Alexander Bay in the afternoon. Otherwise, it's going to be a sunny, dry and warm day for Uppington, reaching a maximum of 28 degrees. The Free State will be partly cloudy and mild. Bloemfontein and Welkom both reach a high of 23. We're not expecting any rainfall. And very similar conditions have been forecast for the northwest. Vryburg gets to 25, Rustenburg at 23 degrees and just a degree cooler than that for Zeerust. Mainly cloudy in the morning over Limpopo, fog patches for some places, and as I've mentioned, there'll be a chance for rain over the eastern parts of the province at first. Tzaneen remaining quite cool with a maximum of 20, mainly cloudy. There could be some drizzle around at first for Mbombela, otherwise dry under partly cloudy conditions across Mpumalanga, and it's also going to be a dry day for Gauteng, 19 degrees as a high for Johannesburg, no rain in the forecast. Now we're expecting moderate winds along the east coast as well as for Uppington and De Aar in the Northern Cape. Otherwise, mainly light wind conditions have been forecast across South Africa. Wednesday brings a cold front to the west coast, mainly cloudy with a chance of rain for Springbok as well as for Cape Town. And on Thursday, we're expecting the cold front to move up the eastern coastline, bringing some afternoon and evening rain to Durban, while things remain clear and dry in Gauteng.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com